Jack from Y2.
And I'm Alama from Class 98. We're emceeing today's assembly.
We hope you enjoy the mystery hand wash reveal
And other performances.
Aloha Kalehua Oli Koli Koli Kala Mehana Ka Aina Omo Wane Lua Ole Ia Aina I Kamamona Naho Eo Wika Ili Fili Ia Vele Meke Aloha 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 Aloha
No hair. No hair. No K-8. No hair. Ku'umana. No kalalo na amaku. Kea ako ukuyana. Eho o mau kaha o kahawai. No hea ku'uhano hano. No kapono na amaku. Kea ako ukuyana.
Today's This or That is Androids versus iPhones. Please vote after the assembly. The results will be shared next time.
Aloha K-8 Community, Mr. Gabe, Assets Middle School teacher here. We are continuing our tradition of participating in Good Vibration Station. After this assembly, you will receive a link where you can share good vibes, gratitude, or your appreciation for someone in our community. This is an open invitation in that you can do this at any time. Your good vibration message may be read during the next assembly. Gratitude means the quality of being thankful. Mahalo for sharing your good vibes with us.
So who did you guess for the mystery hand washer? Did you guess Nurse Barb? If you did, you were correct. I hope you folks are all staying safe out there. Continue to wash your hands, 20 seconds at least. And I can't wait to see you folks again. Bye.
Students were asked to replicate famous works of art. Here are some of the highlights from this week's submissions. Students, don't forget to submit your photo. The challenge runs until the end of the month. Dramatic Arts presents Fairy Tale Projects submitted by our K-8 students. of Snow Maya, a short film by Maya Nakamura.
Once upon a time there lived a fair maiden named Snow Maya. She lived in harmony with all of the forest animals. Every day she gathered with her forest friends to play. One day she was visited by a scary old woman who offered her an apple. She was scared of the old lady, but she was also hungry, so she took a bite of the apple. As soon as she did, she passed out. The forest animals found her and helped her to find a nice resting place. Will she ever wake up?
The end. Counseling Corner with Munchie.
Hi, my name is Maya Nakamura from Class 56. Munchie the cat is a member of our counseling team. Munchie provides support and comfort to many students. Did you know that she has an email address? She is ready and willing to respond to any students who want to share their feelings or struggles with her. She will respond to every email. Please email Munchie at munchie@assets-school.org.
Hi Assets, this is Nurse Barb here. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing the birthday celebrations for this week, and this week we are celebrating Tori, Riker, Miss McMillan, and Miss Emmy. Happy birthday to you all. I hope you guys are staying safe. Now on the count of 3, let's start singing. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Bye, Assets. Hope you guys are all having a good time. Stay safe.
Hi, it's Caitlin here. I want to guide us through a mindful moment together. For those of you who are joining us for your first assembly, mindfulness means paying attention on purpose to what you want to be paying attention to. And you try to do it with an open, kind, and curious mind. For today's mindfulness exercise, I'm going to ask that you go and find something in your house that might resemble Play-Doh, putty, slime, something like this. I know our students love this, so you should have some laying around. Once you get your tool, you're going to hold it in your hands. And I want us to think about the 5 senses. Again, we're going to be practicing mindfulness by paying attention on purpose to what we want to pay attention to, which is our putty. And we're going to do so with an open, kind, and curious mind. So first, just take it in your hand and have a look. Look at what color it is. Look at what shape it's in. Start to feel it with your hands as well. Touching it, noticing what happens to its shape when you squeeze and push it. Put it closer to your ear. And when you do that, does yours make any sound? Mine does. Next, use your sense of smell. Notice what your putty smells like. Now, for many of you, after using your sense of smell, that's your cue to not use your sense of taste. By paying attention in a purposeful way to our putty, we're practicing mindfulness. I encourage you to try this exercise with other things on your day. Maybe when you're cooking, maybe when you go outside to get some fresh air. What can you be mindfully approaching in your day-to-day life? I wish you all a mindful and happy day. Thank you.
Thank you for joining the K-8 Assembly.
We hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to vote, and if you'd like, ask Munchie for advice.
We hope you have a safe and isolated weekend.
K8, you're dismissed.